Outstanding design defines the 2007 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. With fewer than 50,000 miles on the odometer, this two-door truck excels in its class and is equipped to provide comfort, safety, and style. A 4.8-liter V8 engine pairs with a sophisticated 4-speed automatic transmission, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. All of the premium features expected of a Chevrolet are offered, including a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, fully automatic headlights, and much more. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 4 well-positioned speakers. Chevrolet also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, ignition disabling, OnStar, and ABS brakes. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.